Hey, what's up everybody? Here's a video showing you how to buy your first VaporNode. So the website I'm on currently is app.vapornodes.finance. Link for this will be in the description below. And first things first, we want to understand how many nodes you would like to purchase. The minimum amount of nodes, VaporNode tokens you're going to need is 1,000. So we need 1,000 VPND tokens per node. Each node is right now at the price is running about $71 per node. Here's a calculator on the page showing you what your ROI is going to be per node. So if we did, for example, a node size of 5,000, that's going to cost you roughly 360 bucks or so. In 30 days, you'd have a return of 125 bucks if the price of the VPN token were to stay the same. So that's one important thing to remember. If this VPND token increases, your ROI is going to increase as well, and your daily is the amount of days it's going to take to get your money back is going to decrease if you were to sell those VPND tokens. So you can use this slider bar, and it looks like it takes about 70-ish days or so to break even for the VaporNode at this time. This is being recorded on March 8th of 2022. So we want to start here to kind of give us an understanding of how many VPND tokens we want to swap for. So next step is going to be obtaining AVAX tokens, Avalanche tokens, if you don't already have them. So I'm going to go to CoinMarketCap. The current price for an Avalanche token is 74 bucks. So for rough math, about one Avalanche token per node is needed at time of recording. If you don't know where to buy Avalanche tokens, AVAX tokens, you can scroll to the bottom here and you can look at the different markets available and what platforms are currently selling the AVAX token. So here in the US, we have Coinbase Exchange, KuCoin, FTX, EOB, Gate.io. You get the idea here. So if you find an exchange that you currently have, you can go to buy it there. And then what you're going to need to do is send it to your MetaMask wallet. If you have not yet set up your MetaMask wallet, there's a link in the description showing you how to not only create your first MetaMask wallet, but also add the Avalanche token to that wallet. I'm going to go ahead and switch over to the Avalanche network, and we're going to pop back into the swapping page. So I'm going to go to TraderJoeXYZ.com. A link for this will be in the description as well. And what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to make sure that your wallet is connected. So if I were to change this network again and go to a different network, we're going to get an error message saying wrong network. You can either click on this button and switch it here to Avalanche Chain, or you can go directly to your MetaMask wallet, select the drop-down menu, and select the Avalanche Chain there, and it's going to update appropriately. And then what we need to do is we want to make a swap. So however many AVAX tokens you would like to swap into the VPND token, go ahead and input that number here. For the purposes of this, I just want to show you how this works. Before you click anything, we need to make sure that we have the correct token selected. So VPND is not going to show up on your selected token profile here. So you just go ahead and type in VPND, and we're going to select this token. And from there, it's going to give you an estimate of how many VPND tokens you're going to have. So remember, we need at least 1,000 per node. So you're going to need at least basically one AVAX token per node at this time. So once you've input that, you would click the swap button, and you're going to need to select confirm swap. You're also going to want to keep some AVAX tokens in your MetaMask wallet. So before you click swap, I would leave just a little bit of AVAX tokens in your MetaMask to give you access to help pay for gas for the different transactions. So once that's been taken care of, your VPND token will show up in your MetaMask wallet. And in order for your VPND token to populate here, you're going to need to import the token. So if we go to import tokens, we're going to need the contract address. So headed back over to CoinMarketCap, and what we're going to need to do to add the VaporNode's VPND token to our MetaMask is copy this address. So go ahead and select this button, copy address. It's going to copy it to our clipboard. And then we're going to pop back into our MetaMask. And here under the import tokens section, we're going to import the address. And as you can see, I've already added this token, but it'll populate the token symbol here, VPND, and you're just going to click Add Custom Token, and it will appear in your assets column like so. So once you've populated this number with whatever you've swapped on TraderJoe, we're going to head back to the VaporNode's website, and we are going to go to the nodes. So making sure that you've connected your MetaMask, like I showed you earlier. If it says wrong network or anything like that, just make sure that you are on the Avalanche network here. And then we're going to select on this button here, create nodes. You're going to give yourself a node name. You can name it whatever you like. And then you're going to go ahead and put in how many VPND tokens you would like to form a node for. And remember, one thing with the nodes is that once it goes in to create a node, there's no way to pull that money back out. There's no way to get those VPND tokens back out. The only way to do so is to claim the 1% payout per day. So that's just one thing I want to take note of here. The only way to get your money back out is to claim it at a 1% rate per day. So there's also some bonuses for diamond hands and different things, but it starts at 1%. And if you want to get a little bit of an increase, you can compound everything, which means everything's going to be reinvested. And if you do so for a certain amount of time, you're going to be given a slightly better daily APR, as you can see here. So one thing to note, but I just wanted to show you how to buy your first node using the AVAX system and VPND tokens. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. I'm happy to help where I can. Thanks for taking a look.